Welcome. This presentation is intended to provide help achieving an efficient and effective changeover from summer to winter tires. Hopefully the following will help you avoid common pitfalls and apply some best practices. Let's begin. Mounting snow tires to your vehicle is most effective for the winter months. As such, it's best to perform the changeover towards the end of autumn. Failure in identifying the proper season can lead to establishing a counter-seasonal tire cycle, which may cause poor vehicle performance and handling. If you do not have winter tires, go ahead and purchase some, then return to the presentation. If you have some, let's try finding them. Most people store their winter tires under decks and porches, in basements, at in-laws' houses, or in sheds. It's paramount that you find your tires. Without them, proceeding would be pointless. The safety and performance of winter tires is contingent on finding winter tires. Can you change tires with your bare hands? Of course not. You'll need several tools to remove the old and install the new. The following tools will be helpful but may not be required based on location, cultural background, or provincial and municipal laws. A tire iron, a better tire iron, an even better tire iron. A jack, a better jack, the best jack. A first aid kit, vice grips, duct tape, an axe. Safety is as important as you make it. More safety, more better. Keep safety in the top 5 of priorities at all times. If you feel safe, you may be safe. Feeling safe can come by wearing the proper attire. Work boots, gloves, knee pads, goggles, earmuffs, Kevlar pants, a respirator, and a helmet should make you feel safe. Preparation is the key to planning. Failing to plan is planning to plan. Plan to find a suitable location. Dry and level are key. Too wet and you may catch pneumonia. Too steep and your car may roll away. Or worse, the jack may collapse leading to injury and amputation. And finally it begins. First, brace the car using the wheel chocks to prevent vehicular rollaway and catastrophic injury. Loosen the bolts using the proper technique. Demonstration of the proper technique is beyond the scope of this presentation. Position the jack in the proper location and use the jack to lift the car so the tire is off the ground. Remove the bolts and store them in a safe space. Finally, remove the tire. Now reverse the steps. Install the winter tire, tighten the bolts, let the jack down slowly, and torque the bolts. Good job. Repeat for each tire, pat yourself on the back, and consider yourself a hero. Nice job, hero.